What's up guys, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger on Poshmark and on Instagram, and today I have a huge thrift haul to share with you. I just picked up over 50 pieces from the thrift store and I'm going to show you what I got to resell on Poshmark and on eBay. Let's get started. First we're going to start with this belt. I love picking up really cool leather belts, and this one is by Fossil. Fossil belts and Lucky Brand belts do really well for me. Next up is this striped kind of loose tank top, and it's by Cabby. And Cabby, this is the newer label with the square, and it's just like a longer length tunic. Next up is another Cabby top. Again, it's the newer label, and it's got a flowy fit with a little bit of pleating around the neck. This is one of my favorite brands to find. I don't find it all that often, but it's Show Me Your Moo. It's kind of a tie-dye print. It's got a lace-up neck, and this one is actually brand new with tags. So it retailed for $140, and I'm excited to list that on Poshmark. This tank is by Meadow Rue. It's from Anthropology. It's a flowy fit, and it's just like a neutral ivory color. You can tie it. You can leave it hanging. I love Anthropology brands for Poshmark. And then this is a J. Crew. It's a factory style. You can tell by the two little dots underneath the J. Crew. But I picked it up because I really like the style. It's got a peplum hem, which is this kind of skirted bottom, and black and white stripes are always a classic. On to graphic tees, and graphic tees are one of my favorite things to sell on Poshmark. I always pick up really cute ones that catch my eye. This is a Woodstock music theme. It's by the brand Doe. Brands don't matter as much to me on graphic tees because I really am just looking for cute styles. This is a vintage Pink Floyd graphic t-shirt. It does have a little bit of fading around the collar, but I'll just disclose that in the listing. I thought this one was really cool. It kind of has like a tribal Native American theme, and I liked how it has the mesh sleeves, and the brand is Ralph Lauren Denim and Supply. Onto blouses, I have this really cute Free People tunic top, and it's got a cutout cold shoulder on the sleeves, and this is the label. It's kind of an older style Free People label, and it has the little skirted bottom, so that'll be really cute. This top is by Joie, and it's just a lightweight kind of gauzy peasant top, and it's got floral print and paisley. It's just a really good boho style. This is one of my favorite Anthropology brands. It is Maeve, and it's a pretty green and white kind of floral paisley print again, just a flowy, loose fit, and Anthropology, like I said, one of my favorite Poshmark brands to sell. Cachet, this is a brand that I tend to pick up. It's not around anymore in stores, but people still love it, and it's a wrap style. It's got that crossover, which is really flattering, and it's a stretch jersey. And then next up is a Lularoe. It's a solid white classic tee, so it's long and flowy. I'm pretty picky with which Lularoe pieces I pick up, but solids tend to do very well. And then next I found this really cute sweater top, and it's torn by Ronnie Kobo, size small. It's sold at places like Shopbop, Revolve, like higher end websites, and it's got the cute little peplum hem again, but it's a cap sleeve little sweater knit top. And then right after, I found another torn by Ronnie Kobo top. It also has that peplum style hem, which again is very popular. It's really flattering because it's fitted, and then it just kind of like peeks out a little bit at the hip. Next up is a top that I picked up with eBay in mind. So Garnet Hill does well for me on eBay. It's not coming up on camera, but this is a really pretty, like kind of dusty rose color. And then again, another top for eBay is Tommy Bahama. It's a size extra large, and it's linen. Linen does really well in the spring and summer, and it also has some great embroidery detail on it. North Face, I do pick up certain North Face pieces. This is almost like a rash guard, kind of sun guard top, and those do well, and it's got really nice, like, kind of Asian inspired floral sleeves. This brand I had never heard of, but it looked really nice. I haven't really looked it up yet. It's called Hayley Vines. It's an outdoor collection. I believe it's like hunting gear, but it's kind of like a long underwear style top, and it's got a really great shape, and it has the logo on the back, so I'm going to try that out. This piece is a Mcglothlin top. So Mcglothlin is kind of an expensive like preppier style line, and they have this really stretchy material, and it's called Catalina cloth. It's like a stretchy jersey. So that's what that is. This top I picked up for eBay. It is Soft Surroundings. Soft Surroundings does really well, and this is a cute, it's got like a zip up front, kind of a peplum hem almost. It's like skirted at the bottom, as you can kind of see with those vents. This is a linen top. It's Rebecca Taylor. The size is cut out, so when the size is cut out, I just measure it and put all the measurements in the listings, but I really like the floral print on this one. Next up is an Anthropologie top. It's Bordeaux. I'm pretty picky with which plain Anthropologie tops that I get, but this one does have some lace detail on the front, and also the back has lace and just like a flowy panel, so I think that's a great take on a basic. Lucky brand I have, this is a size extra large, so I like picking up bigger size Lucky brand, and this is a cool like crochet lace combo, and it's kind of like a distressed black color. Again, more Free People. Free People is like a staple in my Poshmark closet. So this is a little crop sweater, and I liked the color combination a lot on this one. It's got the long sleeves, but again, cropped at the waist. This sweater is an army green color. It's got lace trim and really thick knit cuffs, and it is from Anthropology. The brand is Tiny. This jacket I picked up for eBay. The brand is Ming Wang. It feels almost like Mistook if you're familiar with that. It's that like acrylic knit. These are really great for like travel, and they're very expensive retail, so that's a great find. This sweater, Royal Robins, I have actually never found this brand before, but I have seen other people pick it up, and I really liked the style with the knit design, and it's a full zip hoodie, so I'm going to try that one out on eBay. This sweater I picked up primarily for the style, so it is a full length. It goes like mid-calf. It's a kind of like Nordic Fair Isle print cardigan, and it's by Pol, P-O-L, which is a boutique brand, so I know it's sold at a lot of local boutiques around here, but it's very nice quality. This little wrap sweatshirt is bright blue. It's got like an attached belt, and the brand Saturday Sunday from Anthropology, so that's like one of their newer tags with the orange. On to dresses. I found a lot of dresses, and I love selling athletic style dresses. So athletic dresses usually have like a built-in shelf bra. This one does as well, and it is by the brand Merrill. So Merrill I know makes shoes, but I guess apparently they make some clothing as well. So there's the tag. This one is by Prana. This is a really cute kind of crossback style. That's what the Prana logo looks like. And then this dress, I've actually sold this style a couple times before, and it's by Athleta. There it is. It's a size medium, and it has these like removable pads in the bust. They call it a swim dress, but you can wear it like sporty. Okay, this halter dress, I've never picked up this brand before, but I know it's pretty expensive retail. I actually saw it on an episode of The Prophet. It's Susanna Monaco. So we'll try that one out. This pretty floral dress is silk. It's Rebecca Taylor. Rebecca Taylor makes great quality items. They're definitely a little more like feminine. This has the ruffle down the front. And then this is a striped silk dress, and it's by Broadway and Broom, which is a Madewell line. So Broadway and Broom is sold at Madewell, and that's just a cute little color block number. Okay, and then up next we have another Madewell dress, and this is Highline. So Highline, also Madewell. It's a striped knit. It's really stretchy, and again, stripes are very classic, and people love them. Okay, this dress, it has an ombre finish. It also has a cold shoulder. It's got some hardware detail. It has a lot going on, and it is cachet. Like I mentioned before, people love their cachet. And also what I like about this one, the skirt's kind of that bandage knit, so it's really stretchy and fitted. And then this dress I picked up for eBay. It is Eileen Fisher, size large, and it's just a black knit. It's crossover front, a great basic piece. And then another eBay style is J. Jill. I like to pick up J. Jill in these bigger sizes. This is an extra large. It's a jersey dress and a paisley print. Okay, and this brand, this is a new to me one. I love finding brands I'm unfamiliar with. So when I was going through the rack, I could feel like it was really nice quality. So I looked at the label, and it's Tatiana, which I had never heard of, but it was new with tags, and when I saw this tag, it looks like a pinup girl, and I know that stuff can go for money. So I looked it up, and these retail for like $200, so I'm gonna have to do a little research on that one. And then next is another Anthropologie dress, sweatshirt style. It's got a great cowl neck, and it is Saturday, Sunday. This brand I've never found before either, but I've seen it on other people's videos. So it's Icebreaker Merino. It's a merino wool dress. It's like knee length with long sleeves, and it's got this great collar, which you can actually button up and do as a cowl, or you can leave it down as a regular collar. This piece I love. It's just American Eagle, but it's their Soft and Sexy line, which the material feels so good. It's like a super soft jersey. It's a tie front romper, and it's a 2X. So it's a bigger size, and it's got these cute little shorts on it. I think that's a great summer piece, and I love finding cute, like trendy, bigger size items. And then this is Bum Equipment, which is like a 90s brand. And these are some vintage overalls, and they are green, like a carpenter style, size small. And they also have like the spell out. So anytime something 90s has the spell out on it, I think it can do really well. So we'll see how that does. And then these are some cute swim cover-up pants. I'm not familiar with this brand. I picked them up more for the style. So the brand is Meekin Swim, and they have these little tassel ties. I know I'm always looking for cute cover-ups in the summer, so those are good. And then this is a pair of denim shorts. So I'm getting ready for spring in my closet. Size 25. They're Pilcrow and the Letterpress, which is an Anthropology brand. Onto skirts. So again, with that activewear theme of what I had picked up before, this is Soybu, and Soybu is just another like nicer, higher end athletic line. Cute little skirt. This skirt's really pretty. It's got ombre, but also it's fully embroidered. So you can see all the detail on that. It's really nice quality. It's HD in Paris, which is from Anthropology. And then I did pick up two Lularoe Maxi skirts. One is new with tags. And I liked that print. I thought that could transition from fall to spring, and same with this one. This is another Lularoe Maxi, and it's got a really great like big print on it. The last thing I picked up is J. Crew. I am kind of selective with my J. Crew. This one's a really pretty, it's a peplum kind of skirt, but it's that thick scuba knit material, and it also has an exposed zip on the back, and it's a size 12, I believe. So it's great because it's a bigger size. That concludes my most recent thrift haul. I'm super excited about my finds. Let me know down in the comments below what your most favorite find has been recently while you've been outsourcing. Please hit the thumbs up if you liked this video and want to see more hauls in the future. Bye!